In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get QuickBooks Online Accountant in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and get started with the process. First things first, you'll want to head over to your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online login page. Make sure you're on the official Intuit site. You can usually tell if it's legitimate by looking for a URL that includes intuit.com. Once you're there, you'll see a welcoming sign-in page prompting you to access your QuickBooks account. Next up, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. This is going to take you to the credentials page where you'll be asked to enter your email address and password. Make sure you input the correct information here. A tip to keep in mind is to use the email that is associated with your accountant account. If you've got several emails, ensure you're logging in with the right one to avoid any unnecessary issues. If you're setting up your accountant account for the first time, you might need to go through an additional step. You should navigate to My Accountant within your QuickBooks account settings. Once there, you'll send an invite to the email you want to use and verify it. This is crucial because it makes your email eligible for setting up as an accountant account. Once you've confirmed that your email is associated with your accountant account, you're ready to click Sign In. This button acts as your gateway into the QuickBooks world. Before proceeding, double check that you've entered your credentials accurately. It's easy to mistype in the excitement. After you've logged in successfully, you should be presented with the home page or dashboard of your QuickBooks account. Right here, you'll notice another button labeled Continue. Clicking this will advance you into the platform, giving you access to all the tools and features linked with your account. Now, once you're inside the QuickBooks environment, you'll want to check for confirmation that you're logged in as an accountant. To do this, simply look to the top left corner of your screen. There, it should display QuickBooks Accountant. This label is the seal of approval telling you that you've navigated the login process correctly and that your account has been set up in accordance with QuickBooks' accounting features. By this point, you should be successfully logged in and ready to begin utilizing the tools that QuickBooks Online Accountant offers. This is an excellent time for you to start familiarizing yourself with the array of features, including client management, reporting, and tax software integration, to name just a few. While navigating the QuickBooks Online Accountant for the first time, take it slow, explore features at your own pace, and don't hesitate to utilize QuickBooks' support and help options. They provide a great library of resources and guidance should you encounter any roadblocks or need further clarification on specific functions within the software. To wrap up, logging into QuickBooks Online Accountant is a straightforward process once you know the steps. Make sure to keep your login details secure and remember that using the correct email associated with your accountant account is vital. QuickBooks offers a robust platform for managing accounting needs, and you're now prepped with the essentials to start exploring all it has to offer. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting with QuickBooks Online.